See, each and every statement should be ended with semicolon. This is very much important. Okay, that's called a statement. And then, so the statement, I mean, the program can be executed in a sequential manner or in a order. Means line 1 will be executed first, line 2 will be executed second, and line 3 will be executed third. Even if you see this one name is, and the second line, third line will be executed like that, right? And even in the details, you can see this 2, 3 lines, 2 second line, third line, and even user debug. What is the event? Event is a user debug. Okay. Now you can tell me, I'm giving name equals to, okay, and semicolon, and statement is ended. Okay. So what will be the value printed on line number 4?
Equity CVD.
I need answer from other than Ramesh and Sati.
Kruti, sir. Kruti will be printed.
Kruti will be
Kruti will be printed, sir. Yes, sir.
at line number 4, Kruti will be printed, right? What
Yes, sir.
you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. See, I'm explaining you guys, the program will be executed in an order, right? Kruti, what will be printed?
Kriti's already will be printed.
Right. See this, the line number 1 variable is declared, means storage is created, and that storage Kruti is added there, right? In that location, Kruti is added. After line number 2, that is printed, and line number 3, we are storing the value Kruti Sarreddy, means remove this value and add the new value. That's what we are saying to the system or program. Then when you system.debug, when you debug the variable, now whatever the latest value is there, that value will be printed here. Okay, you see this? See this. Okay, whatever the latest assignment is there, that latest assignment will be displayed here. Okay, now this is one thing. I'm going to explain some addition of two numbers. If you give like this one, no, two numbers, means if you give after two double slashes, then that's called a comment. It won't print anything. It won't compile anything. It's a plain text. It won't consider anything. Now what I'm trying to do is I'll do the addition of two numbers. Okay, I'm going to declare like integer numbers only, right? Integer a, b, comma sum. I'll be like this. You can declare the variables like this also. And the syntax is, if you want to declare multiple variables, you can give data type variable 1, variable 2, variable 3 in a comma separated. Okay. Now here,
10.
int
Is equal to 10. Okay. To be equal to 10.
equals to 30. Now, what I can do is, I'm giving sum equals to 100 like this. Again, sum equals to a plus b. Sum equals to a plus b. So now, sum is sum. So what will be the value at line number 7? What is the value at line number 7? Sujit, what will be the value at line number 7?
Line number 7 is 50, sir. 50 or 100.
See this one. Now, this is the order of execution. Okay, the programming language, how it works. Okay, now instead of that, if I give that A plus B,
Plus
okay, giving anything plus line number 5. See this? Now, if you execute this, how it prints? You will be surprised with this one.
error. We get error, sir.
What is that?
Debug 2030.
20, 30. Because when you use like plus A plus B, this is string, right? This is the text and it is attaching the test, or means just appending the test. To perform like this, what you need to do is you have to give separate bracket for that. Okay, now if you see that, the is 50. Okay, now write a program to two numbers. Just write down this and try this one. Okay, how to declare the variables, how to write a program, and don't miss this statement. Okay, so today's class, what leave about the admin part. Today, you guys have to learn from what are the data types has to answer. Okay, what are the data types we have? Then variables, how to declare the variables and write this statements. Okay, these are very, very important. I'll ask you guys to write data type names and everything on this one. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Okay, so now, yes, tell me.
Sir, when we are giving in the system.debug name is double quotes we are giving and plus name, sir. When we are taking a sum or multiplication or division, we should use the double symbol quotes, double dot line. Uh,
You're saying about
yes,
this,
sir.
right?
System.debug law, when we are giving the name, is then we are giving double four dots. Is it required only for text or only for other things also we can use, sir?
Your voice is not much clear, Sujit.
No, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
so I'll explain that. Your, your
Yes,
question
okay.
might be the, so why it is displaying A plus B, even though if you give the A plus B, it is displaying 2030, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So because it is taking the program like sum is one string, one text. After text,
Okay.
just add the text 20, means even that is number also. When you append with the text, it will be considered as text only.
Okay, sir.
20 will be added to this text. After this text, add the 30 as a text. That is what the system will take.
Okay,
And
sir.
if you want to perform the addition operation, you have to specify that this is a separate transaction. Or let's say it is a separate statement. Then what you can say is, if you give it in the brackets, okay, so whatever inside the bracket will be considered as a separate calculation. That's how the
Okay, sir.
system calculates.
Okay, sir.
That's why you have something like this.
Got it, sir. Clear. Yeah.
Okay. So now, are you guys clear? Okay,
Yes, sir.
Kruti, you can stop sharing. Stop recording.